What's happening, physical science people? This is another fantastic video to help introduce the idea of accuracy versus precision. They get used as if they're the same word all the time, and they are not, especially within the world of science. So we're going to try and give you a clear idea as to what accuracy is and precision so that you can start to differentiate between the two. Okay? They do not mean the same thing. Here's a really quick and super simple definition of accuracy. You probably won't find this definition in a dictionary somewhere because it's not wordy. If you are getting or measuring the correct or desired result, then what you're doing is being accurate, right? That's a definition of accuracy. So here's a really quick example here, a few examples, a situation. If you're shooting free throws, what is the desired result? It would be to actually make the shot. That's how you would determine if you are accurate or not. Okay? If you're weighing yourself on a bathroom scale, then accuracy would be getting your actual weight in pounds, right? That's the desired result, to figure out how much you weigh. And if you're looking at a clock, accuracy would be determined based on how accurate the clock is. How close is it to the actual time? That's what accuracy is. If you're trying to hit a bullseye, then accuracy is hitting the bullseye, right? If you're trying to cook pasta properly, then accuracy would be getting the pasta done just right. It's whatever the desired result actually is. Now, precision is different. Precision has to do with getting the same results repeatedly. Keep in mind that the results you're getting might not be the desired result. Here's a famous Albert Einstein quote: insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Normally, if you do exactly the same thing over and over again, you get exactly the same results. And that is our definition of precision. A couple of quick examples. If you have a watch and it's always 5 minutes slow, it will never give you the accurate time. It never gives you the right time, right? But the wrong time that it gives you will always be 5 minutes slow. So it's precise in the sense that it's always giving you the same result, and that is a time that is 5 minutes slow. But it's not accurate. Okay, Robin Hood, there's a famous story of a character, Robin Hood, shooting an arrow into a bullseye and then shooting an arrow through the actual arrow in exactly the same spot, right? In that case, he's precise because he got exactly the same result with the second shot as he did with the first shot. Okay, now here's a video on William Tell shooting an arrow through an apple on his son's head. And we're going to watch it together here so that we can actually, I can give you some commentary while we watch it.
As the story goes, the legendary marksman William Tell was forced into a cruel challenge by a corrupt lord. William's son was to be executed unless William could shoot an apple off his head. William succeeded, but let's imagine two variations on the tale. In the first variation, the Lord hires a bandit to steal William's trusty crossbow, so he is forced to borrow an inferior one from a peasant. However, the borrowed crossbow isn't adjusted perfectly, and William finds that his practice shots cluster in a tight spread beneath the bullseye. Fortunately, he has time to correct for it before it's too late. Variation 2. William begins to doubt his skills in the long hours before the challenge, and his hand develops a tremor. His practice shots still cluster around the apple, but in a random pattern. Occasionally he hits the apple, but with the wobble there is no guarantee of a bullseye. He must settle his nervous hand and restore the certainty in his aim to save his son. At the heart of these variations are two terms often used interchangeably: accuracy and precision. The distinction between the two is actually critical for many scientific endeavors. Accuracy involves how close you come to the correct result. Your accuracy improves with tools that are calibrated correctly and that you're well trained on. Precision, on the other hand, is how consistently you can get that result using the same method. Your precision improves with more finely incremented tools that require less estimation. The story of the stolen crossbow was one of precision without accuracy. William got the same wrong result each time he fired. The variation with the shaky hand was one of accuracy without precision. William's bolts clustered around the correct result, but without certainty of a bullseye for any given shot. You can probably get away with low accuracy or low precision in everyday tasks, but engineers and researchers often require accuracy on microscopic levels with a high certainty of being right every time. Factories and labs increase precision through better equipment and more detailed procedures. These improvements can be expensive, so managers must decide what the acceptable uncertainty for each project is. However, investments in precision can take us beyond what was previously possible, even as far as Mars. It may surprise you that NASA does not know exactly where their probes are going to touch down on another planet. Predicting where they will land requires extensive calculations, fed by measurements that don't always have a precise answer. How does the Martian atmosphere's density change at different elevations? What angle will the probe hit the atmosphere at? What will be the speed of the probe upon entry? Computer simulators run thousands of different landing scenarios, mixing and matching values for all of the variables. Weighing all the possibilities, the computer spits out the potential area of impact in the form of a landing ellipse. In 1976, the landing ellipse for the Mars Viking lander was 62 by 174 miles, nearly the area of New Jersey. With such a limitation, NASA had to ignore many interesting but risky landing areas. Since then, new information about the Martian atmosphere, improved spacecraft technology, and more powerful computer simulations have drastically reduced uncertainty. In 2012, the landing ellipse for the Curiosity lander was only 4 miles wide by 12 miles long, an area more than 200 times smaller than Viking's. This allowed NASA to target a specific spot in Gale Crater, a previously unlandable area of high scientific interest. While we ultimately strive for accuracy, precision reflects our certainty of reliably achieving it. With these two principles in mind, we can shoot for the stars and be confident of hitting them every time.
There you go. So information there on accuracy versus precision. Here's a great example, a slide that I've seen many times and I think does a pretty good job. Look at these 4 different scenarios. In this target, we're assuming they're trying to hit the bullseye. That's the desired result. So you're accurate if you hit the bullseye, and you're precise if you can repeatedly hit the bullseye. So this first target is a great example of highly accurate because they hit the bullseye, and highly precise because they repeatedly hit the bullseye. Look at the second target here. Here we have all of the shots that are kind of clustered together up here, but this is not what we were aiming for. We did not get the desired result. So it's low accuracy because we didn't get the desired result of hitting a bullseye. But it is high precision because we got the same result over and over again, right? This third target here has shots that are close to the bullseye. You can tell this person is aiming somewhere close to the center. So they demonstrate accuracy. I don't know if I would say high accuracy, but they demonstrate accuracy by getting close to the bullseye, but low precision because each shot independently is far from the center, right? Except for the one shot that actually hit the bullseye. This one's too high, and this one's too low and to the right, and this one is too high and to the left. The last target shows us an example of low accuracy and low precision. Low accuracy because they never get the desired result. They never hit the bullseye. And low precision because all of the misses, as a matter of fact, are not in any one particular place. So what we will expect you to do in the future is be able to tell the difference between accuracy and precision, and then determine, if we give you an example like these targets, if it has high accuracy or low accuracy, high precision or low precision. Okay? This is a group that some of you might be familiar with. This is a trick shot group that has made an incredibly successful company based off of their ability to be accurate and precise. Here's one of their videos where we can take a look at how accurate and precise they actually are in strange trick shots.
Oh, my abs are on fire. We're good. We're good. This is the upside down basketball shot. Yes! Yes! Oh, left foot's getting loose. Oh! Oh, actually, you know what? I think.
Dude, perfect.
This is the pool granny shot. Your odds are pretty good here, guys. Just pick a number, 1 through 5. Yes! To be honest with you guys, don't love your chances here. Good luck to you. It's bowling time! Oh, that's cracking. That's nice. Hey, Dan, would you grab that drugstore for me? Thanks, man. Love the direction this is headed. Could be nice. Could be good. Watch me. Hey, wait there. Wait there. Watch me. See what we did there? Keeping you on your toes. Next shot. Watch me. Okay. Oh, no. It's too easy at this point. I can go wherever I want. Here we go. Yes, sir. We have a dart and a dartboard. Try not to overthink this one. It's going to be a bullseye. Just watch me.
What's up, guys? This is the part of the video where it's only unpredictable for our newest employee, Sparky. He thinks he's doing a trick shot to promote the DP Gaming channel. We've got some soccer balls. He's going to be doing a header. Unfortunately, this soccer ball, aka the soccer ball cake, is going to hit him in the head a little bit. It's go time.
Sparks, in with the intro.
Don't mess with Texas head.
Coming at you, Sparks.
Watch me.
Total setup job and it's just here. It wasn't even close. Why is everybody here?
I promise you can tell them about the DP Gaming channel.
Sure.
You still can. You just got 7 seconds, so hit them with it.
Monday through Friday, 1 to 5 Central Time on twitch.tv/dudeperfectgaming. You can catch me, Sparky, running the gaming channel.
Give it up for Sparks. Ladies and gentlemen, well done!
I guess.
Now that was unpredictable. It's time for a bullseye. You guys thought we were going for the bullseye here? We're going for this one! Oh, wow, look at this. Let's take a walk. Huh. Nice ball. Good roll. Better than most. It's a good bounce. It's headed for the hole. Ladies and gentlemen.
Just watch me.
Yeah! Go! Welcome to what we like to call the boss level. Any guesses? Hot slip. Or did it? Yes, sir! What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the bell so you don't miss out on our next videos.
All right, I think you get the idea there. What you don't see in that particular video are the many, many, many misses before they make those incredibly accurate shots.